Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up a Ryobi One Plus P421 18 volt 4.5 inch angle grinder. Says it will grind up to 30 minutes continuous metal grinding, powerful motor, 6500 RPM, onboard convenient wrench storage, tool-free adjustable guard. That's really nice. And it includes a comfort grip handle and a grinding wheel. 3-year limited warranty, and this one, the battery and the charger is sold separately. So let's have a look here and see what we got. Get the box open. It is hot today. It's oops, there goes the grinding wheel. So nothing going on there. Got your manual. You got your little advertisement with all the different Ryobi stuff. 175 different Ryobi products at the time this was released. Here's your handle. Okay. And then the tool. Plastic bag. The rest of it's all cardboard. And it's got like a cam lock that you can move this around and hook your cam lock back up. That's handy for when you're working on stuff, easy to move. Let's check out the grinding wheel. I can get the plastic off of this. There we go. Yeah, just a regular grinding wheel, like nothing fancy there. Alright, so we're going to try this out. So let's have a quick look at the tool. It has a safety. I'm not really fond of this whole extra safety business. Like, if you're holding on to the tool, that should be sufficient. But it's got this other safety. I don't know, like, unless it had a lock, but I don't see how that actually makes it any safer. And it's in the handle. Check that out. Alright, so I don't have like a really good cutting wheel. This one's an 1/8. This one's like a 1/4. So I'm going to use this one. We'll put this guy on here. So to get this to press down, you press it and you rotate this until it locks. Keep your finger on that, and then you grab this one here, put it in these holes, and then you can tighten it up. Alright, and you get it like that, and then you pull it tight. It's locked in, it's good and tight. We're going to turn this in. It has 2 spots. You can put the handle on this side or on this side. I'm right-handed, so I like to hold this with my left hand, hold the trigger with my right. Alright, so this is the Mastercraft corded. It's about the same size. Alright. It's got the same blade on it, same 1/8 inch blade. See how this one works. Alright, so final thoughts. The Ryobi is only really good for light work. Okay, it doesn't have the blade speed that you need. It doesn't have the power that you need. So even with fresh charged 4 amp hour batteries, it just didn't have the power that I needed to do the work that I regularly require. So it's good for little light jobs. You want to go clean up a weld or cut a bolt off of something. If it's a small bolt, throw the battery in the Ryobi and off you go. But for regular welding, grinding work, you're going to want to go up to another 4.5-inch model like this one. This is the Mastercraft. So the difference here, the Ryobi doesn't even have a current rating on it in amps. It's 6,000 RPM. The current rating on this is 6 amps, and it's at 11,000 RPM. It's easily twice as powerful and twice as fast. And when you're using it, it works twice as fast. So to do the same job, this takes half the time. So yeah, I don't know what else to say really. Like, you're probably not going to be happy with this one. Now, they do have higher models, which is fine, but the performance increase traditionally with the other models it's not that much better than their base model. So even when you spend the extra money, if you absolutely need portability, then I get it, but I probably wouldn't buy the Ryobi. I would buy a different brand, a higher end stuff, like maybe something from Milwaukee or Makita or something of that nature. But because I have all the 18-volt Ryobi stuff, I grabbed the Ryobi, and yeah, I'm not real happy with their performance, so I'm stuck with the corded one for most of the things that I do. Okay. So anyway, I have to give an honest opinion. I've got a bunch of Ryobi tools. I've got tools from every company, so I'm not brand specific, and I'm not a fan of any particular company one over another. I just the best bang for the buck, really, and this isn't it. So just a heads up, let you know that's what I thought about the product, and yeah, that's about it. Anyway, thanks for watching.